Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you have a stable internet connection, but you cannot find any games that you like on the Google Play Store in ASUS ROG Phone 7. And to do this, here we have our Google Play Store. Let's try to find a game like Call of Duty. So there's icon for it right here, but if we click on it, nothing happens. And the same thing is with Diablo Immortal, or basically any other game. And to fix this, go back. Here, click on your profile picture in the top right corner of the screen. Open a settings, enter family, then parental controls. Now you can either disable parental controls entirely with this switch, or go for apps and games. Insert your PIN code, then increase PG to at least 16. Make sure to save those settings afterwards, and now you should be able to find all of the games. So Call of Duty is right here, and the same as with Diablo Immortal. Or in some other cases you might need to increase it over 18, but this one works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.